Hello everyone, today I am cooking salmon. I'm going to start off by seasoning it with some salt, pepper, some Old Bay, and a little bit of garlic powder. And I'm going to season both sides of that, and then I'm going to heat up about a tablespoon of olive oil and place the salmon in and cook on both sides for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. And the olive oil that I'm using, my sister bought that for me from Trader Joe's. It's like a garlic flavored olive oil. So it's been cooking for a little while and it's starting to change colors, so I'm going to go ahead and take that out. And then I'm going to add my shrimp to the same pan and add my seasonings to that as well. And I'm going to season it with some Old Bay, salt, pepper, and just a tad bit of garlic powder as well. Yeah, I like garlic powder. And I'm just gonna cook this until it turns a little pink, and it shouldn't take that long. Once they're done, I'm just going to remove them from the pan, and I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of flour to the pan and just whisk that up a little bit just for a few seconds, just to get all the flour mixed. And then once that's done, I'm going to take about a cup of water, or maybe like a half cup of water, because I'm just making one patty. So yeah, just about a half a cup of water to that. And then I'm going to add maybe a tablespoon of butter, and then I'm going to add in my half and half, and you can use whipping cream if you'd like that better. And I'm just going to whisk that all together and let that simmer for a few minutes. And to that, I'm going to add my Badia seasonings and a little pepper, a little salt. And you can squeeze in a little lemon juice if you like as well. And just whatever seasoning you want to put in it, just add whatever you like. I know some people like to use wine in their sauces for their fish or whatever, but I just used what I had. And if you have some dehydrated green onions, that'll be good in there as well. And I just squeeze a little bit of lemon juice. So once that has simmered, and if your gravy is too thick, you can just add a little bit more of water or wine or whatever you want to add that to thin the sauce out. And I'm gonna make some mashed potatoes, so I just boiled some potatoes, and this is how I always make my potatoes. I just put pepper, I use garlic powder, and some salt, some butter, and sour cream, and that's all that goes into my mashed potatoes, and they're really good. So I'm just going to whisk those around, and that's pretty much it. That's your meal. So I'm just going to place it all on the plate when I'm done with the mashed potatoes, and that'll be it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.